Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. To my old subscribers, if you're new, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video we are going to be making onion juice. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use onion juice to grow your natural hair. Onion juice has so many benefits. It is filled with sulfur that can help to promote hair growth, boost collagen production, and also help to regrow bald spots. I've been using onion juice for as long as I can remember now, and it's very effective for if you're suffering from dandruff or itchy scalp. Onion juice should be your best friend. So you need to do this treatment at least twice in a month. But if you have dandruff or itchy scalp, each time you do your wash day you can do onion juice. So I'll be adding the onion oil to the juice. I diced it into smaller cubes so it will be easier to blend. The video on how I made this onion oil, I will leave it in the description box. You can see the thing is making me teary because the onion is really very active. So after that, we'll be blending the onion. If you don't want to use oil, you can add a little water, but I don't want to add water to make it more effective. I don't want, because I feel the water is going to dilute the effects of the onion. But if you don't have the onion oil, you can just add olive oil to help with the blending process. So after blending it, I'll be sieving the juice out. You can use a cheesecloth or whatever you have that you use for your sieving, but this is what I'm using now to sieve out the onion juice. This is the whole juice that I got from the 4 onion, and this is it. I just poured it in a spray bottle. I'll be adding extra oil because I want it to serve as a deep conditioner too, because I just washed my hair with a hair mask, so I need deep conditioner to like deep condition my hair to bring in back moisture into the hair. So I'll be using my Ayurveda oil, which I will leave the link in the description box. So after the oil, give it a good shake, and you're good to go. So I just make sure you're applying it directly to the scalp, to the whole hair, from the body to the scalp, making sure the whole scalp is getting the juice. So when you spray, you can use your hand to circulate the juice onto your scalp. Then I'll slightly detangle my hair with my fingers. You can see how I'm doing it. Nothing much. I can't even remember the last time I used comb on my hair. So I'll just detangle the hair with my fingers, then after which I'll twist that out of the way and continue with the rest of the hair. Then make sure you massage your scalp as you're doing this, because it's a great opportunity to give your scalp that good massage that it's been yearning for. So after the application, massage your scalp really well. Make sure you massage your scalp so that it will help the onion juice to get to every strand and every part of your scalp, and also help with blood circulation, which also promotes hair growth. So this after that, you cover your hair with plastic cap and carry for like, I carried my own for like an hour. So this is after like 1 hour. Before, I want to show you guys what the hair looks like before I wash out the hair. So this this onion treatment will help to stop hair loss. It helps to reduce hair loss, thickens hair, and also regrow bald hair. So it is good. It doesn't have any side effects on your hair apart from the smelly part. But if you think you cannot handle the smell of the onion, you can try using just the onion oil on your hair, and maybe use it for your pre-poo before you wash your hair. And if you're using this onion treatment, make sure you wash your hair. You do it before you shampoo your hair, so that you'll be able to wash out the smell of the hair if you don't mind. But in this video, I'll just rinse it out, then use my apple cider vinegar rinse to wash my hair. That's all I'm doing. But if you want to use it and you don't like the smell of the onion, do it before you wash your hair with shampoo, so that after the 30 minutes or 1 hour that you carry it, you now wash your hair with shampoo and continue with your deep conditioning. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share so it reaches more people. I'll see you guys in my next one.